Hello there, this is Norberto Santiago, and I'm gonna show you guys my Sinatra project. First of all, I wanna share my screen over here. Um, let's share everything. Okay, so this is my inspiration for this project. Is a page I did called the Small Reviews. This is pretty much my hobby. I share movie that I love and just talking about movies. Pretty much a movie review page. And what would be better than implement that to my bootcamp education, right? So I decided to um sort of merge the two things I love, like, which is writing stuff and coding, which is my newfound passion. So let's go to the code. I wanna show you guys the code, and let's start with the schema. We got here two tables, which is the users tables. I want the users to have their username, their email, and their password. So the second table would be the reviews table with the title, the date the user submitted that review, the review content, and the user ID, so we can play with that key around in the controllers, right? So here I got the views. The views would be users. Uh, the all the websites had these views like login, um, show is not complete, but that would be something that I would like to complete. And we got the sign up. We got each form with the title on the code. Same for login. We got the login title and the login form. Here we got the welcome page is welcome to small reviews, um, and fun size reviews of movies and sometimes series. And in this page, we got the options log in for returning users and sign up for new users. The layout, this is a layout included with the gem I use to implement all the bare bones of this project. I got on the title Sinatra Small Reviews Project, which is what will work in if this becomes a new real website. I will probably change it to the small reviews or something like that, something along those lines, maybe have different titles in the different pages. But let's move on to the reviews views. I want to show the index. So this is the index. I wanted the website to have the user log in and see all the reviews submitted by everyone. Also, we got the title. This is the small reviews, and we're gonna have a button for the user to click and create that review he wants to create. And here we're iterating all the reviews. We got review that all that each do review, and here we got all the content I want to be available in that loop, in that data iteration. We're gonna see it later. And here the important part, what I really wanna concentrate in this project presentation is the controllers. Is the most fun to code, even funnier than HTML, since I'm just using basic HTML and not yet moving on to have a beautiful website with all the CSS code. So I had the most fun doing this all about the controllers and all about the website content. Here's the application controller. In the application controller, I have a get index do ERB welcome. This is once we open the server. This is the first thing we're gonna see the welcome page. Um, we got the helpers, which is very important when working in Sinatra, working all the websites we wanna create. We wanna have those helpers method. It, it's gonna help us a lot. So dev login and dev current user. Again, very important to have those helpers method on our website. Let's go to the user controller. In the user controller, we got the get user ID. Again, this will be an addition to the project in the following days. Have that user profile page. And we also got a delete option for the user if the user wants to be deleted. Again, an addition to the website if we wanna continue adding stuff to the website. And very important code if I decide to make this a real website. And the sections controller, we wanna have two separate controllers, the user controller and the sessions controller. It's gonna be better to understand uh, the codes once we got those two in separate controllers. I wanna take my time on those uh, sessions rather than have everything in the same controller file. It's not, I don't think it's a good idea. I think it's a better idea to have a separate file for those sessions and be able to debug and troubleshoot if there's any issue with the sign up or login user sessions. So let's get to the sign up. We're gonna get sign up again. Very important to have the login helper method. If the user is logging, we're gonna redirect immediately to the reviews page, or website index. Else, then we're gonna have the user sign up, and this is the post sign up. We're gonna have user.new. The params would be username email and password, as we already saw in the schema file. Very important user that save session, again using the helper method, user underscore ID equals user dot ID, um, and we're gonna redirect to reviews, or else if for some reason the user failed to have all the params in place, we're gonna redirect him to sign up again. Uh, Same with login. If user is logging, we're gonna redirect the user immediately to the reviews page. Same with every website. It's not like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram makes you enter your login info every time you're gonna enter that website on your computer. Um, Else we're gonna redirect the user then to the users slash login and have the user login. This is the post login user that file by username params. If the user and user that authenticate, uh, we're gonna have the user login and redirect to reviews, or else, or if the authentication is not in place, then we're gonna redirect the user to the login page to have the user try again. Logout session that clear, redirect to the welcome page. All right, let's go to the reviews controller. Reviews, add reviews, and like I said, iterate all the users on review with review.all, and the iteration that is code in the view, so that will give us all the reviews submitted by every user. This would be ERB reviews slash index. Uh, we we have the get reviews new, which is the view reviews slash new. Um, the params for creating the new review is gonna be title, content, the user ID, and created at and updated at. Those are the codes for having immediately that exact date the review was created and updated with a time that now we wanna this code is very important because we wanna have that code in Ruby to immediately show the date something was created, time that now is very useful in any project. You want to show that date when something is created. Now we get to the reviews show, the reviews slash ID. A set review, if review. We're gonna go later. We're gonna discuss this set underscore review. If at review, let's go to the reviews slash display view, or else we're gonna redirect to reviews if in case that review don't exist any longer, or will um, yeah will enter in the wrong review ID. Okay, that's patch review ID. This is gonna be for updating that review. If review and authorization user, we're gonna get to that soon. Add review that update. We want to update the title and the content, and then we want to save it and redirect to that review with the new version we just did. Or else we're gonna go and redirect to the all reviews page. Here we got the get reviews ID edit, which is part of the patch. This is still before the get reviews edit, because we were troubleshooting an issue I had, but the best practice is to have the get before the patch. And we got the delete review. We wanna, if we wanna delete that review, if review and authorized user go ahead and delete that review and redirect the user to that review. Else, we're gonna redirect the user to an error page. I did an error page for redirecting the wrong, if the wrong user wanna delete a review or edit review. We're gonna see it in a few minutes. This is what set review and authorized user means. And very important to discuss here. We use private methods to make this controller look cleaner. Before using these private methods, the code look very confusing. It was just a bunch of statements in the same method, like if that review is before the this different statement, and it looks awful, believe me. And we decided to use the private methods to improve that code and make it look cleaner and better, more elegant. If I'm and if we're in a real life scenario in the business, whoever is debugging the code will appreciate it. So the private methods is the set review we saw a few times. Uh, it's gonna be a review equals review that's fine by ID, by the param ID, uh, and the authorized user add review that user ID equals current user that ID. Very practical if we wanna have the correct user review, edit and delete his own reviews. That this is the intention of this code. You see current underscore user. This is the helper method we saw earlier. Uh, and that's why it is important to have that helper methods because you're gonna use it all around the controllers. Now, let's see if the website works. Shall we? Shotgun. Okay, this is slow. Uh, this is awkward. This is gonna be awkward in the video. All right, here we go. Let's click on it and see it work. All right. Let's let's just sign up a new user, shall we? Okay, username. What we can do? Presenter. Let's do uh, let's do a YouTuber because this is going to YouTube. YouTuber. Uh, email. YouTuber at mallreviews.com. Yeah, let's dream big from now on. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Okay. And now we got all the reviews I did. This is very very eclectic. I know. Let's create a review. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. I didn't thought about any movie in particular. Let's do Avengers Endgame. Uh, the the shortest 3 hours of my life. What an epic movie. Let's submit it. And here we go. We have a small review by YouTuber Avengers Endgame. Shortest 3 hours of his life, and in exclamation point, he's uh, yelling, "What an epic movie!" Shouted at the rooftops, right? Let's edit it. Okay, maybe he wants to write. Oh my God, I was so excited at the final fight. Submitted, and here we go. Let's go to the all reviews page. And here we go. It's part of of the new the all reviews page submitted by YouTuber I created on this day at this time, right? Let's go. If he's a Marvel fan and he hates DC Comics and he see the Birds of Prey Harley Quinn movie review in there and he just wanna delete it because he's a troll. Okay, he's gonna click on it. He's not gonna see the edit and delete buttons because he don't belong in there. He's not gonna be able to do anything. If he's so mad about it that he's gonna delete his own review and not wanna go back to the page, he's gonna click on his own review and he's gonna delete it. And voila, there's not Avengers Endgame review. I know I said earlier I created an error page. It was a deliberate decision to leave that error page in case some someone gonna hack into this website and if wants to delete everything that user was gonna um, get that error page. So that's why I decided to leave it in there, more like a security measure. But this is the small reviews page. Not perfect. It needs way too much. Just a few tweaks. So maybe in the future I have something better and something more professional looking go live. So let's have YouTuber log out. He log out. We're back in the welcome page. So this is it. Thanks for watching. And just let me know if any suggestion. I can't wait to the assignment, to the appointment to look into it with you. Uh, Thanks for watching.